Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a full face first impressions video, and this is just a video where I try a lot of products out for the first time and just tell you how I feel about the products. So I'm going to be trying a lot of new products, including the new Colourpop no filter foundations and powders. I did pick up 2 foundations, 2 pressed powders, as well as 2 of the no filter setting powders. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing my thoughts on a few products, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting out with my brows already done, and I'm going to take my Colourpop concealer and I'm going to prime my eyelids with this. And I'm not sure of the color right off the top of my head. I'll have it listed in the description box down below. Alright, next I'm just going to take my Colourpop pressed powder in the shade Dark, and I'm going to use this to set my concealer in place. Alright, and then for eyeshadow I'm going to be using the new Baby Girl Stack by BECCA Cosmetics. So pretty. And next I'm going to go in with the shade Scamming, and it is a hot coral, and I'm just going to use this as my transition color. This is such a gorgeous stack, and this stack retails for $58. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the shade Main Squeeze, and this is just a red orange, and I'm going to place this directly in the crease, and I'm just using this color to try and deepen that crease up a little more. Alright, next I'm going to go in with Breakup, and this is just a burnt umber shade, and I'm adding this shade to really deepen up that crease. Alright, next I'm going to be going back in with the shade Scamming, which was my transition color, and I'm just using this to soften up those harsh lines, or blend out those harsh lines. Alright, next I'm just taking that same Colourpop concealer that I used to set my eyelids, and I'm going to cut my crease with this concealer. And now I'm just using that same Colourpop pressed powder in the shade Dark to set that concealer in place. And now I'm going in with my Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette, and I think that shade is Wine Stain, and I'm going to use this to deepen up the outer V. Alright, now I'm just spraying my brush, and I'm going to go in the middle of the lid with the shade Crush, and it is just a foiled terracotta shade, and I'm going to place this in the middle portion of the lid, or on the middle portion of the lid. And now I'm going in with the shade Hopeless Romantic, and this shade is so pretty, and I'm going to use this shade in the inner portion of the lid. And this is like a yellow gold with hot pink shifts. Alright, next I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Killawatt foil highlighter. I'm going to use the shade Sand Castles, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with that. Next up, going in with my Stila eyeliner, I'm just going to line my top lash line, and I am going to give myself a wing, and then I'm just going to go off camera and add some mascara and some false lashes, and I will be back to start on the face. Alright guys, moving on to the face, I'm going to be using my Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer, and this little round thingy where that line is, you're supposed to fill the primer up to the line and then apply it to your face like that. It's supposed to be just like a dime size, but clearly that's way too much for me, so I put way too much on, so it took me forever to blend this in. I actually had to wipe some off. So this says that this is a velvety priming balm of pressed silk that smooths and makes makeup last longer while keeping it out of your skin, helping to prevent clogged pores and breakouts. So it says that this is for oiliness. It helps prevent oiliness, dullness, and uneven texture. I really do like the primer. I do feel like the primer helped my makeup last a lot longer, and my foundation set beautifully on top of this primer, so I really do like this primer. And this primer retails for $52, but you'll have it a really long time because a little goes a long way with this primer. For the foundation, I did pick up two shades, and I'm not really sure which shade is my shade. I picked up the shade Deep 195 and Deep 190. So this is just how they both look. And I picked these up so dark because I've been doing a lot of working out outside, so I've definitely gotten darker. So I don't know, I think I'm going to try 190. So it comes with a cap, and this is a matte foundation. So I'm just going to do 2 pumps, and that is how it looks. It looks like it should be a really nice shade match. So I'm just going to, it looks a little red. And this is a matte foundation, so I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender instead of a brush because I have dry skin, so I like to blend out all of my matte foundations with a sponge. Alright, so now let's blend it out and see how it looks. Alright guys, so it says that this is a full coverage natural matte foundation that delivers flawless looking skin from day to night. This oil-free lightweight formula blends smoothly and easily customizable to create the coverage you want. Build it up or sheer it out. It was developed with the innovation soft blurring pigments to deliver the true color while looking and feeling natural. Now I will say that this foundation does look natural and it is really lightweight, but I really don't know about the full coverage. I would say more of a medium coverage. Like, I don't know if it'll cover scars or anything like that because I don't really have any scars. This is the foundation. This is one coat of the foundation. I think it looks really nice. It matches my chest really good. I kind of feel like it's a little red, but nothing that I can't fix with my concealer. So yeah, I'm really happy with the shade 190. So 195 will probably be too dark, but I'm really happy with this shade. It looks really nice on the skin. It doesn't look completely matte. It looks kind of like a semi-matte finish, which is perfect for the summertime for me because, like I said, I have dry skin. So yeah, I really like the foundation. I really like how it's sitting on top of the primer. It looks really nice. Alright guys, so now I'm starting off applying my concealer, and I am using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. And I think I put the shade Deep, or I'm not really sure about the shades. I'll leave them in the description box. But I used a deeper shade and I really didn't think that it was bright enough to give me a highlight. So I mixed, I know Deep Golden on top. I put Deep Golden on top of that. And these two look really nice mixed in together. So this is just how it looks with the concealer on, and now we're going to use the setting powders, and I did pick up two. I picked up the shades Medium Deep and Banana, and these are both supposed to be translucent powders, so this is just how they look. So I'm just going to, I'm not sure, I think I'm going to use Banana under one eye, Medium Deep under one eye, just to show you guys how they both look. So this is the banana powder on this side, of course, and this is the medium deep powder under this side. I really like both finishes. I would say go for the medium deep. If you're trying to go for more of a natural look, if you're trying to go for more of a highlight, then I would go for the banana side. So I'm going to go with the banana for today, and then I'm going to use the transparent pressed powders, and I picked up two. I picked up one in the shade Dark Deep or Deep Dark and one in the shade Dark. So I'm just going to use the shade Deep Dark to set my entire face. And I'll probably use Dark to wipe away the banana powder under my eyes. Alright guys, so I'm just going to apply banana powder under my other eye, and then I'm going to apply it to all the areas that I highlighted. I know I went a little ham with the banana powder today. But I really like the setting powders. I think they're really nice. Both shades I got. And now I'm just going to dust all of that powder away. And then I'm going to go over the areas that I highlighted with the powder with the dark natural powder, because I don't want any flashbacks throughout the day. So since this is like a sheer pressed powder, I'm just going to take it and go over those areas. And then I'm going to set my entire face with the Deep Dark pressed powder. And the Deep Dark pressed powder has a lot of fallout, like has a lot of kick up. Alright, next up I'm going to go in with my BECCA bronzer in Maui Night. And I'm going to use this to bronze up my skin. And then I found a new shade in the Black Radiance pressed powders when I was in Target, and it's the shade Black Coffee, and it's the deepest shade that they have now. I think they added like 3 new shades, and I'm going to use the shade Black Coffee to contour. It's a really nice color. I really like this. Alright, next I'm going to finish off the eyes, and I'm just using my Maybelline Eyestudio Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Liner in the shade Sleek Onyx. And then I'm just pretty much going to repeat the same steps on the bottom that I did in the crease. I'm going to pretty much use all those matte colors. Alright, next up I'm going to go with my PUR Cosmetics 4-in-1 blush book, and the company was so nice to send me this blush book to try out for you guys. And these are some really beautiful, nice pigmented swatches, and the 4 shades are Honest, Determined, Passionate, and Loyal. So I'm just going to take the Honest shade and Passionate, I'm going to mix them together. Now these blushes are super pigmented, so you have to use a light hand, and they are detachable from the pan, so if you want to take them out and put them in a Z palette, you can do that also. Next up I'm going to be using the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Chocolate Geode, I think that's the name. And BECCA was so nice enough to send me this highlighter also to try out for you guys, and I absolutely love it. I think this highlighter will complement dark skin tones so well. It gives you the perfect like bronze goddess look. And of course you guys already know that I absolutely love BECCA highlighters because they are so blinding and they don't have any glitter in them. So it just looks like a natural glow from within when you wear these highlighters. So this is definitely a highlighter to pick up. I'm just taking that same highlighter. I'm going to highlight my inner tear ducts with that color. And now moving on to the lips, I'm going to take my Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in True Brown K. You can use any lip liner, brown lip liner that you have. And then I'm going to take this lip gloss from Gerard Cosmetics. And Gerard Cosmetics was nice enough to send me this lip gloss to try out for you guys. And it is in the shade Madison Avenue. This is such a gorgeous color. Comes with a mirror on the lipstick tube as well as a light. I think this is so cute. I remember I had a lip gloss like this a while back. I think it was Victoria's Secret. This is a gorgeous color. And now I'm going to spray my face with some Milani Make It Last setting spray, and that completes the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. Until the next video.